I applied what I've learnt through two aspects: through the design of the online courses that I'm continually working on, and then in my actual teaching practice in the courses. So in terms of design, I try to focus on providing the content that's really accessible but encourages collaboration between the students and between the students and myself, just so I get a marker of where they're at. And one of the things that we do is we might email the students weekly, and we'll provide them with a checklist of where they should be up to, and also encourage them to contact us with any questions. And we might also put that then into the discussion board and get some discussion going about where they're up to and how they're feeling about things. Because it's hard when it's an online course and you don't have students in front of you looking puzzled. It's hard to know whether or not they've understood the content that you've tried to deliver that week. And when you're in front of students, you see that very visibly, but in the online environment, you don't have the benefit of puzzled faces in your audience. So you need the feedback from them, and you need them to feel confident enough in the environment to be able to say to you, I didn't understand that, or I don't get that. So that's why building rapport is so important. And you have to factor that in designing your course and deciding what communication tools you're going to use and when, and making sure that you're dynamic about that, and you're not going to just have a one-size-fits-all, but you'll be somewhat flexible and able to adjust what you're doing when it comes to your teaching practice. And it may be that things that you thought might work really well, like I've had some wikis that have taken off and students have been really proactive and they've added lots of content and analysis, and it's been fantastic, and other wikis that have just sat still and not done anything, and I've tried to get in there and engage a bit, and it's been a really difficult task. So being able to think, okay, well, that's not working here, what other sort of tool can I implement really quickly to ascertain whether the students are understanding this content or not. So it's a moving feast, it's constantly changing, and I think your ability to be responsive as a teacher is really important, and to be flexible in your own mindset about what you want to achieve for your students and how you're going to get them there. Yeah, that's